If you're looking to delete your Namecheap account, the first thing you need to know is that you can't just remove it instantly from the dashboard. Namecheap requires a few important steps first, and if you skip them, your request may be delayed or rejected. So in this video, I'll walk you through the safest way to close your Namecheap account step by step so you don't lose anything important and you can complete the process properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Before you do anything else, make sure you back up everything you need from your account. That includes your domains, hosting files, website content, email data, and DNS records. If you have websites connected to your Namecheap hosting, download your backups first. If you use Namecheap email services, export anything important before closing the account. It's always better to double check now than realize later that something important is gone. Next, you need to cancel or transfer all active services tied to the account. This is a very important step because Namecheap does not allow an account to be closed while it still has active services. So if you have domains, hosting plans, SSL certificates, or any other service still running, you'll need to either cancel them or transfer them somewhere else first. Take your time here and make sure everything is fully handled before moving on. Once all active services are removed, the actual account closure process is done by email. You'll need to contact Namecheap support directly at domainsupport@namecheap.com. Open your email app, start a new message, and make sure you're sending it from the email address associated with your Namecheap account if possible. In the message, include your Namecheap account username, your support PIN, and a clear reason for closing the account. Keep your message short, clear, and polite so support can process it quickly. After you send the email, the next step is simply to wait for Namecheap support to review and process your request. Depending on their workload, this may take some time, so don't worry if it isn't closed immediately. Just keep an eye on your inbox in case they reply with any questions or need additional verification. And that's it. Once Namecheap support completes the closure, your account should be officially closed. Just remember, the most important part is backing up your data first and making sure there are no active services left on the account before you request a deletion. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that save you time and make tech easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.